Following relentless rainfall in Jammu, the water level of the Tavi River has surged, leading to damage on the 4th Tavi Bridge. The extreme weather conditions, flood fury, have claimed over 30 lives in this region. Jammu region has been experiencing its heaviest rainfall in decades since Monday, leading to flooding, landslides that have damaged bridges and roads in inundated residential and agricultural areas. Jammu region has been experiencing its heaviest rainfall in decades since Monday, leading to flooding, landslides that have damaged bridges, roads, inundated residential and agricultural areas. Heavy rain lashing the region has disrupted rail road traffic. Northern Railways has cancelled 22 trains halting and or departing from Jammu and Katra railway stations. Short terminated 27 trains in the division. The roads are not functional due to landslides in this region.
There you see the visuals of Tavi River. Water level is still very high in this particular river, and that is why many residential areas nearby the river have got inundated, and the administration has launched relief and rescue operations. People who are stuck in flood waters are being rescued. Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police, NDRF, SDRF, CRPF and other agencies are working in close coordination, and no stone is being left unturned when it comes to providing relief to the people. But situation is alarming. It continues to rain cats and dogs here in Jammu region. There is a major tragedy that has struck the holy town of Katra. Yesterday there was a landslide near Adkumari. Now we are learning that the death toll has increased. Death toll has mounted to 31, while 23 others have been injured. The injured are being treated at hospitals in Katra. The yatra has been stopped and relief and rescue operations are on. The rescue teams are on their job. There may be people trapped in debris, more people may be trapped in debris, and that is why relief and rescue operation continues near Adkumari on the Yatra track in Katra. Jammu-Katra road has also been shut because there have been incidents of shooting stones and landslides at many places. With video journalist Iraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Panchtarthi in Jammu for India Today. There is no respite from the monsoon rains here in Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu region remains the worst affected area in Jammu and Kashmir. Monsoon fury continues to wreak havoc. Right now I am at the Panchtarthi area in Jammu city, and here you can see that there have been landslides here, shooting stones here, and you can see the rubble on the ground, these big boulders on the ground. So situation continues to remain grim across Jammu region, particularly in Jammu city. It's raining cats and dogs even now, and water level in the rivers has increased, although compared to yesterday the water level has decreased a bit, but rivers continue to swell, and that is why administration has issued advisories to people. People have been asked not to venture near the rivers. The Jammu administration has also carried out relief and rescue operations. People in the flood hit areas have been rescued. Relief camps have been set up so that people can be provided food and people can be saved from the flood fury. But here in Panchtarthi area you can see that there has been a landslide, and as a result of this road has been shut for vehicular movement. Jammu-Srinagar National Highway has been blocked due to landslides and shooting stones at many places. Jammu-Pathankot National Highway also remains shut. So Jammu region is facing the brunt of this monsoon fury, and situation continues to remain grim. Top officials are continuously monitoring the situation